Quicksets are extremely easy to pick it. You can pick it the traditional way, raking, single pin picking, or I like to use the Lishi. So this is a KW1 Lishi. And this one is by Mr. Lishi. There's several manufacturers. He stands behind his pretty good. So we're going to pick it. Now the picking using the Lishi is basically, it's a single pin picking method, or SPP. So there's no raking, there's no nothing. This is going to be picking. And if we hit the mushrooms, sometimes the mushrooms will give you no trouble at all. Other times we have to do counter rotation to pick. It's one reason I have the practice board, is to practice, practice, practice. Don't just practice on the customer's job. Practice this in the shop. Just gently insert the pick. Let's say it's locked, and we're going to pick it, I always say, towards the hinges on this type of deadbolt. Okay, light tension. Don't crank on it too hard. What I'm feeling for is pressure. I'm feeling for which one is binding. That one's binding. That one is binding. Binding. There we go. Okay, light pressure. Which one's binding? Binding. There we go. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please join our membership site. It's our YouTube Mr. Locksmith membership site. And you can see I post the videos there first. And I post a lot of videos that I don't post on the public. They're just for our members only. Some of the bypass methods, defeat methods, drilling the locks, picking the locks, and talk about the business of locksmithing and some of the in-depth on the social media, etc. So please join my membership site.